So this is a quick video of just how to do an oil change on a Subaru Impreza Outback. Quick video. Show you where the bolt is. Right in the front of the vehicle here, under the vehicle in the front. The bolt is right there. See the oil there, the bolt, that tank. That's the oil tank. That's the oil tank. That's the bolt. This is the filter. The filter is right here. Right there. Here. So you don't even have to lift the car up. So you just open the bolt. 17mm bolt. Open the bolt and remove the filter. And I'll show you the replacement filter. This is a filter here. You just unscrew it. See, comes right off. So you right here in the front of the vehicle. That's where the oil tank is. That there is the oil tank. So remove the bolt, 17mm socket. The filter is right there. I'll show you the replacement filter. See it.